Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. This project started out as a gift for a guy retiring. He was a carpenter, and what I was going to do was make a custom handle for this little claw hammer so he could use it maybe as a display or something. So I head off to the mill, so I mill the rectangle to fit into the hammerhead. This is a piece of 1¼ inch round stock. I know it's overkill, but I don't have a big piece of aluminum to use. This doesn't fit perfect, but it's good enough. Next, I have to go to the lathe. What I'm going to try to do is make some kind of a decorative handle. I don't have a design. I'm just going to try to wing it. I'm going to make some kind of an hourglass and then knurl the end. This thing's a big piece of steel, and if I leave it this size, this hammer will be way too heavy. So I need to get this down to right around 1 inch in diameter. Alright, this is the part where I cut the taper. You can see I already started. I really don't like my design, but I'm going to wing it here and keep moving forward. This is the part where I cut my losses and I decide to turn this into a Machinist Hammer. Back to the lathe. I'm cutting down that front taper because I'm going to cut a 1/2 inch 13 thread to receive the hammer mallet. And of course, every round handle needs a knurled end. Next, I add some features to the handle to make it look nice. Let's thread this thing. The carriage got to be under the handle. Oops, who didn't see that coming? Alright kids, that's how it's supposed to work. Alright, you can see a lot of run out here. That's because it has been in and out of the chuck quite a bit. So what I did was I left that tailstock nice and loose. I don't want to break anything. Back to the mill to make the mallet part. What I need to do here is step drill the hole for the 1/2 inch 13 thread, and also I'm going to countersink it so the handle can go into this a little bit. It'll make it look neater. Alright, this is looking good. Let's head off to the lathe and finish this thing off. I face it off, and then I just do a skim pass to get rid of the mill scale. Take it to the bandsaw and cut it to length. I clean this end up, I chamfer it, and then I add a decorative detail using a round cutting tool. This turned out pretty good considering I almost put it in the scrap bin. It is a little bit heavy, but it'll be fine. The head can be removed, so I can put different heads on it, like maybe wood or leather or plastic or something. But again, this turned out pretty good. The claw hammer is going to have to wait. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.